Every morning gives us a brand new chance to shape our day and our body. Most people don't realize how powerful those first 60 minutes after waking up truly are. Welcome back to Healing Path, where we explore simple, sustainable ways to rebuild your body, habits, and mindset. Today, we're diving into how your morning ritual can become a powerful fat loss tool. And the best part, these habits are simple, realistic, and don't require any fancy equipment. Fat loss isn't something that just happens at the gym. It's a full-day process, and its foundation is set the moment you open your eyes. Your metabolism, hormones, and even your cravings are all influenced by your morning choices. So let's walk through the morning, habit by habit, to see how small shifts can produce massive results. First, let's start with your mindset. Most people grab their phones as soon as their alarm rings, immediately inviting stress into their system. This spikes cortisol, the stress hormone that makes your body store fat, especially around your belly. Instead, try taking 10 slow breaths. This calms your nervous system and lowers cortisol, creating the perfect hormonal environment for fat loss. Next, hydration. You wake up naturally dehydrated, and dehydration slows down your metabolism. Drinking a large glass of water first thing kickstarts your digestive system and tells your internal organs, let's get to work. It's a simple way to make your body more efficient at burning fat throughout the day. Another powerful habit is getting sunlight. Just 2 to 10 minutes of natural light within the first hour of waking resets your internal clock, boosts your metabolism, and helps regulate your hunger hormones. It's a natural way to reduce cravings and improve digestion. Then comes movement. You don't need a full workout. A brisk walk, light stretching, or even dancing in your living room is enough to wake up your muscles and improve insulin sensitivity. When your body uses insulin more effectively, you store less fat and burn more energy. Finally, let's talk about your first meal. Whenever you eat, make sure it contains protein. Protein keeps you full, reduces cravings, and boosts your metabolism. Eggs, Greek yogurt, or a protein smoothie all work beautifully. A stable morning meal creates a stable fat-burning environment for the rest of the day. Fat loss doesn't come from perfection. It comes from consistency. Instead of trying to do everything at once, focus on 3 or 4 of these core habits. When you master the basics, fat loss becomes automatic. You are teaching your body safety, routine, and stability. And when your body feels safe, it lets go of excess weight naturally. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to Healing Path for more simple tips to guide you on your journey. Thanks for watching. You've got this.